Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I assemble a charcuterie board. Stay tuned. Alright, before I get started on this video, I do want to thank the Carnivore Club for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you guys haven't heard of the Carnivore Club, they are the world's first subscription service featuring premium cured meats from around the globe. So I do have two of their boxes right here. This is their snack box, and this one right here is their classic box. We're going to get to this one here in a little bit, but I do want to show you the snack box. This one does have meat sticks. This one right here is a cracked pepper turkey stick. This is a maple barbecue pork stick. And this one right here is a pepperoni seasoned meat stick that my daughter's gonna love. And you also have other beef jerkies. This one right here is biltong, which is a African beef jerky. I can't wait to try this one. Got some of the original sliced and some of the garlic and herb beef jerky as well. All right, so let's get into this classic box. This one right here is a New England charcuterie. So I cannot wait to dig into this. Let's see what we've got. We've got a hot sopressata dry salami, if that's how you say it. A pepperoni dry salami. Summer sausage, one of my favorites. We got a bourbon and bacon dry salami as well. And we got a couple of wild boar snack sticks. These are gonna be yummy. So one of the nice things I like about the Carnivore Club is that you select how often you want to receive your boxes. So I am going to be using my cutting board from Haley Home. If you guys are interested in getting a really nice board like this, even getting your last name engraved, check out the links below. So I'm going to be using one of my plastic cutting boards just so I don't get my wood board all dirty. So I'm going to take all these salamis out of their package. Man, look at the fat content in there. That's going to be delicious. This is the hot sopressata salami. Looks really nice and oily. Got the pepperoni. I know my daughter's gonna love this one. And I'm also gonna be adding the wild boar snack sticks to our board, just as a treat. All right, let's start with the snack sticks. Just cut them down into smaller pieces. And our salamis. Nice thin slices. Check that out. All right, I'm going to slice up the rest of this salami, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got all the salami sliced. Next thing I'm gonna do is I've got some cheeses here. I'm just gonna slice these up. All right, so since this cheese is already in a triangle, all I'm gonna do here is just slice it nice and straight. I need to get me one of them fancy cheese slicers. So just in case you guys didn't know, I am a cheese freak, and this one right here is my all-time favorite cheese, Flaming Jack. I picked this up from Costco. Go grab yourself some and let me know what you guys think. All right, I've got all my meats and cheeses cut up. I'm just gonna move this aside and let's assemble this charcuterie board. All right, so I'm just gonna grab some of this salami right here and put it around my logo right here on my cutting board. Makes it look really nice. And trust me, your friends are gonna be saying, where did you get that cutting board from? Here's our pepperoni salami. Here's some more of our salami. And last but not least, our summer sausage. I'm just gonna stack this up on this corner right here. So now as far as your cheeses, just spread them out in no particular order. So what you want to do is you want to completely fill up your charcuterie board. Now I have some nuts and other things that I'm going to put on the board as well. As soon as I get these cheeses on. Here's our boar snack sticks. I'm just gonna toss these in the juice groove. Just like that. So I've got some blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Just spread them out all over your board. Just start filling up all the voids. Our raspberries and our blackberries. I also have some pimento stuffed olives. You can't have a charcuterie board without olives. Got some grapes that I'm going to add to the back of the board. Some red grapes. And here's some green grapes as well. Got some pecans. Just find a spot for them. And some walnuts. All right, I've got some fig spread right here. It goes fantastic with meats and cheeses. Toss them in a bowl. And I also have some red pepper jelly. Toss some of that in the bowl. And last but not least, you gotta have your crackers. And there you have it, folks. This is how I build a charcuterie board. Let's dig into it. All right, let's dig into this charcuterie board. What I'm gonna do first is grab a cracker, some cheese, and some of this beef and pork pepperoni. Here we go. Little olive. Man, that was so good. You really have a ton of combinations you can fix yourself with a charcuterie board like this. Next, I'm gonna try a cracker with some of the fig spread, a summer sausage, and a walnut. Man, that was super good. Little sweet, little salty, pairs extremely well together. Guys, don't forget to check out the Carnivore Club in the links below and get yourself some of these delicious meats. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.